Hi, I'm Phil Greenwood. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple jig to sharpen an oval skew to stop it rocking on the tool rest. So if you like my video, please click the like and subscribe button, and that'll help my channel. So let's get into the video now. So I've got an oval skew here. Yes, it's not a proper one. I don't have one at the moment, so I've just made one up. The problem with sharpening a skew chisel, an oval one, is it rocks. And that causes problem sharpening, especially when you turn it over again and you don't hold it in the same orientation. So we'll look at the simple jig I've made to overcome this problem. So the simple jig, scrap piece of wood and some silicone adhesive and cling film. So what I've done is just carved out this piece of wood here, just to get a basic shape. Then I put some silicone adhesive in, no nails would do, or anything like that what's soft and pliable but that's set firm. I've just marked some arrows to say which is going to face the grind belt. Then, most important part, you put some cling film on top of the wet adhesive or silicone. Then place, I'll use a square end, place the skew chisel on top and press in. Yes, the silicone will squeeze out a bit, but that's fine. Let it set. That can be a few hours to 24 hours to 48 hours depending on the type. The important part of putting the cling film there is so you can remove the chisel, especially if you use no nails. You've got your chisel glued to the block, so that's why. Take the silicone cling film off the silicone, just clean it up with a craft knife, and then you've got this block. So then we'll go on to use the block and show you how easy it is to use. So we've got this block now. Again, I've just set mine. I've set mine at 25 degrees, my platform, but that's what I use myself, but it can be any angle you want. So we've got the arrows to face the belt. On this would work on a dry stone grinder as well, so no problem there. Place the skew chisel onto the block and that stops it rocking. Yes, it still gives you this movement, but then just slide it up. Just make sure the skew chisel slides up and touches the belt, but the jig clears the belt, and then you can just move from left to right to sharpen the skew. Flick it over and do the same. That will stop the rocking problem. Again, if you've got a round nose skew or radius skew, you can still use the block and then sharpen it and just thread it round. Take it off and thread it round again, and that will make sure you don't have the rocking problem. So hopefully that's been useful to you. I hope you've liked this short video of a simple jig to overcome the problem of sharpening an oval skew. So if you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment about any future videos you'd like to see me make. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.